untroubled, gatavyada, untroubled. Parityagi, renouncer. Hrishyati, rejoices, hrishyati. Shochati, lamenting, shochati, lamenting. Kankshati, hankering for gain, kankshati. Sangavarjitaha, free from all unfavorable association. Sangavarjitaha, detached. Ninda stuti, reproach and praise. Ninda stuti, ninda means reproach, stuti means praise. Avinyeta, without any attachment to the place of residence. Literally it